Alright, so I was looking out on the internet. Wanted to make some marshmallow guns just to play around and take the St. Patty's Day parade. And I didn't see anything I really liked, so I just kind of came up with this thing. Been playing Call of Duty World War II, and I like the STEN on there, and I kind of made this like the STEN. It's just like, see, it's got the handle that goes off to the side, and then the back handle straight down. And then your blow tubes right here on the end. It's pretty easy to make. I mean, you just throw it together, some parts from Lowe's. What I did is I just got ready, like I did right here. I got this is all a gun laid out here. And what I did, I cut a 1-inch piece. This is to, oh yeah, and I made a little breech right here where you can load, because the Marshmallow has a little trouble making that 45 right there. So I just, hold on, I'll show you if I can. This right here into this blow tube at the 45 here. That just, oh, sorry. That just pulls out right there. It just pulls out of there, and you go ahead and put your Marshmallow in there, and then put your breech back in, and then load, and then just blow it. It's ready to go. And it actually feels really cool in your hand. But anyway, okay. The 1-inch piece, it goes in here. It goes in the end of this 45. Okay, so here's what we got. Okay, starting from right here, we got one of these. Just a, I forget what they're called. It's just like a to piece two pipes together, and that goes on the end right here. I just painted it black. Okay, and then you follow that up with a 4-inch piece, which would be, or one of these. Oh, sorry, it'd be one of these is 4-inch. So you got 3 4-inch pipes. Is what I ended up with. 3 4-inch, 1 3-inch for the barrel, 1 10-inch one for the body, and then that's pretty much it. I mean, you just what I did is oh, and I put like a muzzle flash on it. I just drilled some holes in the end of I just drilled 4 holes in one of these at one end like this, and I just painted it black, and I glued it onto the 3-inch barrel there and painted it black. So basically, there you have it. I mean, it's a pretty cool little marshmallow gun. It shoots pretty good. But enjoy.